Welcome to page 2 in distributive packet number 2. Let's continue distributing decimals. We're going to multiply 2/10 times each of these terms. Please draw your arrows. For the moment, forget about the decimal point. Cover it up with your finger and simply multiply 2 times 9y. You get 18y. But because of the single decimal position in one of the factors, you must move or scoop your decimal one place so the decimal point is placed between the 1 and the 8. Bring down the plus symbol, and again, 2 times the second term is 3. Ignore the decimal point for the moment. We get a result of 6. But again, because this one factor has a single decimal position, we must scoop the decimal 1 point. Our final answer is 1.8y plus 6/10. Let's move on to question number 9 right below it. Again, ignore the decimal points. 0.5 times 10 and 0.5 times negative 3g. Well, 5 times 10 is, of course, 50. But we must scoop once in that product. Bring down your minus sign. 5 times 3 is 15g. But we have to consider that one decimal position in the factor 0.5 and scoop the decimal once. Our final answer is 5 minus 1.5g. Let's continue on and look at a few more questions. Take a look at number 10. We're going to distribute like this, or you may rewrite the problem so the 3/10 is the first factor and 2x plus 4 is the second factor. 3 times 2x is 6x, but because of the decimal position, you must scoop once. Bring down the plus sign. 3 times 4 is 12, but again, because of the single decimal position in 0.3, you must scoop once. Your final answer in this particular problem is 6/10 x plus 1.2. Let's move on to some of the problems at the bottom. Take a look at problem 13. We're going to ignore the decimal point for a moment, and we're going to multiply 22 times 9. 22 times 9 is 198. But we need to scoop once because of that decimal position. Bring down the minus sign, then 22 times 3 is 66x. But we have to scoop once. Our final answer is 19.8 minus 6.6x. Continue working on this on your own. This concludes this page.